Hey guys, welcome back to another video of the stream. Today, I look like this. Basically today, by the title, is we're going to be pressing 100 mystery buttons and 1 equals escape, but with a twist. There is going to be a twist because it has to be. Because these are not clearly buttons, you see. These are actually poppet holes because I feel like it'd be more satisfying to do, but you pop them. So it's gonna be super satisfying. And today I have my auntie who's going to be doing all of this. And by the way, so it's gonna be awesome. And have you noticed my face has not been on my YouTube channel at all? It's not gonna be. Wait until now. This is me. I'm wearing the shirt because I don't care if it gets ruined because I got this in summer camp. I know the designer, but why? Why this? Well, we're gonna start doing it. So, first button I am going to press is yellow.
Yellow? Okay.
What is it?
You gotta close your eyes.
Why?
Because yellow is...
Ow! The ball. It's okay, let him catch it. Balls. That's okay. Next one I am going to press is this blue one.
Blue one. Okay. Oh, you got an easy one.
What? Umbrella? Oh, this is my old Doc McStuffins umbrella. Where did you find this one? Let's keep moving on. I don't want to use it yet. I think I'm going to use it. Okay, next button I'm going to press is purple.
Purple.
What is that? Puzzles? Get out of here. This is my brother's Paw Patrol puzzles. And they're dirty. Gross. Gross. I don't think I do this anymore. Okay, next one. Pink.
You might want to use an umbrella.
Okay. Ow, my hair's stuck. Okay. Ow, it just hit me in the back. Right. Okay. Now the next one, I'm gonna pick this one back here. Cereal.
Did you catch one in your mouth?
No,
Oh.
I wish I did. This is my favorite cereal, Captain Crunch. And I'm sitting on it and it's crunchy. Okay, next one, I'm gonna pick this green one.
Okay.
What is it? I'm gonna have to say what it is. What is it?
Shower caps.
This is a swimming cap. Oh, shower caps. I'm gonna put this on because I know she's probably gonna dump something gross on my head and I look like a crazy person. But if imagine trying to wash out nasty stuff out your hair. Yeah, no. Okay, next one I pick blue.
Ready? Good.
What is? Miranda, don't forget to say what it is.
Goggles.
Goggles? Okay. I'm gonna wear them. I look like I'm about to just swim. I'm like going to swim in the pool. Next one, I'll pick pink. I'm gonna pick that pink one because I was looking at it.
Are you sure?
Why?
No reason.
What? No. What? Oh! Ah! Ketchup. I smell like. all over me.
You look like a cactus.
Because you better not do more. Okay, next one. Yellow. Do that yellow one.
Okay. Might want to forget.
What?
Don't look like it. Juice.
Grape juice.
Cactus.
Wow.
No green.
Grape juice. Okay. Now I'm cold. Oh no. What else will happen to me now? Watch the.
I don't know.
Oh no. Okay. Next one. I'll pick this green one. I'm freezing now.
Okay, well.
Do it anyway. I don't care. What was that?
Water.
What? Just water? Okay.
In the summer, lock that.
Okay, next one.
Ow! Green. Hey.
I'm scared. This is gonna be.
This might blow away, but here you go.
I got flour in my mouth. At least it's like keeping me. Oh. Next one.
Alright.
Do I need an umbrella?
Do you want to escape yet?
Huh?
Do you want to press the escape button yet?
I don't know where the escape button is.
Try one.
This one.
Which one you think?
Pink. I picked pink.
Oh, okay.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Ice! It's freezing! Wow! Hold up, I didn't escape. Oh my!
This is crazy.
This is ridiculous.
Are you ready now?
Wait up! Okay. What's the next one? Is there another one?
Nope.
Okay.
Press the escape button.
Okay, hold up. Okay, this is gross. I'll be back in a second. I feel disgusting. This is disgusting. I need a break. I did escape though. So let's keep going, I guess. Next one. Blue.
Blue?
Yes. Cheese it. Ow! I can't catch them. Okay, that just like sort of like I can't see out my goggles.
Buttons.
Let's put yellow. Keep going until it's over. We're gonna keep going until it's over. We're gonna stand and we're gonna fight until I
Okay,
escape.
you got chocolate on you.
What?
Chocolate.
Wait, no! Wow.
You got one more chance, Adita.
One more chance.
Yeah.
What was that?
It was yogurt.
Oh. Okay, the last one. I'm gonna pick black.
You got it.
Yay! I escaped! I am disgusting. This is
Ew, what's this?
disgusting because I have like flour and it made it to dough. Flour.
I got a special one for you.
You do? Ew. Ew, mustard! Ew, so that wasn't the escape button?
It was.
No. It was?
Yeah.
You're joking, right? So why do I have mustard?
It's a celebration.
No, I hate mustard. This is
Let's get more mustard on her. Get mustard.
I can't see.
Let's get some mustard.
Okay, I am filthy.
I want to get some mustard.
Ew, I hate mustard. Not to say anybody who loves mustard, but I just bug on me. Bug.
Get it with your teeth.
Whew, I smell. This is disgusting. Bye. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for my messy arms and hands. I love you guys. Bye.